people on our way to, we have no Mandel Highway. Hydel. The road is so bad. Wow.
Shot past me with a speed.
Them drive fast, you know. No piece that should have gone, most of them broke rules too. Them drive dirty. That's the record of the thing.
Coaster. You know, later, you know, so you can left me at old bridge and new bridge and turn over.
No, for what reason? It's supposed to happen.
You go back to school, oh yeah?
No, school. I'm going to school. Reverse not to knock. No, I'm going to
know him, I drive there, I always take him.
Okay.
I him drive reckless.
Yeah, somebody reckless, so you want to see every my own. Alright, which one you want to see? Tell me now. Ooh, people. What clear like a whistle.
Yeah, I'm gonna some jump, okay?
Anyway, the distance goes so far now. To you far?
Eh?
Far to you?
No.
Here?
Just jump in the bus. I do sometimes the bus them drive fast. We just go quick.
So I know something gonna drive for. I'm tell the driver now. Tell the driver about 2 times now. This is one of the wheels them. I hit it on the next wheel. Hit the 2 wheels. So there's no way that you can crash me. Alright, boss. Alright, go through.
But I'm not drive fast.
Who's that sharpshooter?
But Anna hurt me, man.
Alright, sit your hand. What do you mean?
Because
One or the pain.
you caught the pain. It hurt me.
That ear.
I be a post that come out time. Oh, sorry. Alright, guys, this is JPS. This is Petcom. This is this is Rapid. This is number yard over there, sir. We're gonna pass Alex.
Import.
Alex import.
Yeah, so we're passing Alex now, guys.
There's Alex used parts.
Yeah. This is the car parts, the truck parts, the red parts. So we're going on the highway now. Look up inside the highway, I go back there. You know, so we're going fast now. So we don't want to ticket.
So we are gonna pass with the first green side mean. Not that one there, sir.
No, the location.
No, that green side over there, so that means no.
What is?
No, the company over there, sir.
That is telling what is behind. Ferry.
Alright, guys, we're going to pass Nestle. Nestle.
So we're not going to pass Nestle, didn't we?
Yeah, pass Nestle.
You sure? And then Nestle we have to turn now?
Yeah, but you still have pass Nestle over there, sir.
Oh.
See Nestle there? Normally when Kelly then the pan tracks, then run go way down here, so I'm gonna go back.
That's nice. Clear. bridge now. Exciting news.
On a big trailer there.
Yeah, me and him gonna concert it. So you're gonna know what I'm gonna do. Slow down now for me or something. We can take him off for now. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Alright, slow down. Alright, watch now.
Jump on that side.
Clear it.
Chuck.
Slow down.
Yeah.
Oh, it's going that way. He was calling me.
But the JUTC, I want them the shot pass so they don't know.
What is it? Where is he going?
I turn down.
Oh, big old trailer. Oh.
And you are turned, so don't go over and go past. Oh, you know.
I know that rate. I know that rate.
Chuck the biggie.
I know the rate.
Police cop. School time.
Guys, heading to Hydel now.
Hydel.
Heading to Hydel now. Yeah.
It's on that bridge. You want to buy something from the woman? You want to buy some more cake? They already say a packet for $300 and cocoa bread for $250.
You tell that car what? Oh.
The affiliate.
So that's cool. Let me come in.